In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Grok 3 AI image generator. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for Grok 3. The first result should be X AI. Open this link. If you can't find the link, don't worry. The link will be added to the descriptions. On this website, scroll down a bit. Here, you get some options to try Grok 3. If you click on Grok Web, it opens a new tab for Grok 3. Now, you can ask and use the AI however you want. Let's go to the Previews tab. If you click on Grok on X, it opens Grok inside X. Though the appearance is different from the Grok Web version, whatever you do in the Grok Web version, you can do it here also. To generate an image, click on Create Images. Here you can see that Grok has suggested some image creation prompts. You can write your own prompt, or you can take any of the suggestions. Let's take a suggestion, for example. The image generation can take some moments to complete, according to the server speed and the complexity of your prompt. Here you can see that our image generation is complete. Following these steps, you can use Grok 3 easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.